Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how we can fit a long text inside a single cell in Excel, or you can say how we can wrap text in Excel. What if I have write a long text, suppose you can see this text is not fitted into a single cell. We can fit it by changing the width of column and also by changing the width of row. The same thing we can do by pressing a single button or single click. You can see in the home tab there is a wrap text option. You can see whenever I click in the wrap text option, the text is automatically fit with the cell. Hope this small video will help you to solve your problem quickly. And if you are new into my channel, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button below, because I'm going to publish more videos related to Excel and SQL. And if you like this video, and also if this video is helping you, then don't forget to press the like button. Thanks for watching.